What's going on, guys? Got another unboxing for you. Sound Blaster Z SE second edition, I guess. I'm guessing second edition. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. If I can get this cut. That so didn't cut, did it? Okay. Got a hold of my elbow here. That's so damn light. There we go. There we go. Alright, so. Oh, that's for the system requirements. Alright. Nice. Alright. So here, Jesus, they don't want you to get this shit out. How the fuck you supposed to get this shit out? I can't even get my fucking fingers in it. There we go. Gotta be smaller than the box, William. Some instructions. Oop. Paper falling out. Limited warranty. Some salt. Don't eat the salt. Some Japanese words. There's the instructions. Alright. Anything else in the box? Nope. See what we got. Nice and shiny. You know, back in the day, I don't ever remember chips and all that being so shiny like this. I really don't. It's always dull or something. Ooh. A peel and stick. Gotta do it. Peel and stick. What the hell? You gotta peel the film. Ooh. There's the chip right there. The processing unit, I should say. I think it's a 5.1 channel, I do believe. An optical out and an optical in. Focus, camera. Focus. There, and good as it gets, I guess. So I know my audio is loud. I don't know what to do with that. I guess I could get like Odyssey and tried to clean it up. But yeah, there it is. Unboxing number 2, which I had to post the other unboxing. Maybe I'll maybe I'll post these. Maybe I'll upload these. Maybe tomorrow in the morning after work when I get home. When I get home from work. But alright, guys. I'll see you guys later. Have a good night.